Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. Today we have two unboxings. I'm going to do my Mindful Souls unboxing, and I bought a new Kabuki brush, a Kabuki foundation brush. It's by AO Color, and it's hashtag neon foundation brush. I got this on Amazon. $7.62, I think. And this is how it comes. It had a wrapper over it, but I took that off, just so you weren't hearing crinkles. So this is what it looks like. And we're going to try it out. So I have my face primed with CoverGirl Simply Ageless Primer. And I'm going to go in with CoverGirl Simply Ageless Foundation in Honey. And let's see how this works. It's nice and soft. I usually use this one. And I don't remember what company this is. I got that from Amazon too, and I really like it. It's a great foundation brush, but when I'm doing so many looks in that, so sometimes I film a couple videos a day, and then I have to reuse the one foundation brush. Feels real nice, and it's putting the foundation on. This Simply Ageless is like a light to medium coverage. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. That's what I like. My face is really puffy today. It's just really dry. It's been freezing here. Alright, so that's that. I love it. It's nice and soft. It puts the foundation on good. I could use some concealer. My skin has just been... The winter has really been hard this year on it. We go from it's freezing and raining. We had ice, black ice the other morning, and numerous accidents, and I had to go up to my son's house, put the Christmas tree up with the kids, and I was terrified. But I made it okay, and it wasn't that bad. Alright, good. Alright, now let's get to the Mindful Souls. It just came this morning. So I'm going to... already took the label off and cut the tape. Okay, and that's what it's looking like. I'm going to take the card out. That gives you the description of everything in it. Alright, so first thing on the top is a sticker. Pretty. It's crystals. And this is a card. It's an affirmation card. And it says, affirmation for resentment. The more resentment I release, the more love I have to express. Very pretty. Okay. So I'm going to try to set that up there. Excuse my cat crunching around in the background. Of course, she has to eat now. Alright, so here's the first little baggie. Well, open that up. Oh, okay. All right. Thinking this is a bracelet. Oh, two bracelets. Oh, look how pretty. Let me see what they are. This is a friendship bracelet, so that's why you get two, I guess. There's one bracelet for you and one bracelet for your mother, friend, sister, or anyone you want to create a stronger connection with. And it's the stone is Amazonite. It's known as the stone of compassion, so wearing these bracelets can help you understand each other better, thus making your bond even stronger. So slip over and then you can tighten it, I'm thinking. With the strings, maybe? I don't know. Yes, you can loosen it. That's what it looks like. How cute is that? I already have someone in mind. All right. So the next package right here. I love these little bags. I gotta find a use for them. It's a shame to waste them. Ooh. Okay, it's a ring. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It looks adjustable, possibly. Yes. All right, it's a carnelian. Carnelian is valued not only for its vivid color, but also for its energizing properties. The stone is especially helpful when you're dealing with self-esteem, so wear this when you need a boost of confidence and know that you have the power to achieve what you want. That is very pretty. I love carnelian. Very pretty. Okay. Wonderful. All right, let's go into the next package. Got all these little... My cat loves to knock these all around the house. Okay. Ooh. A necklace. Okay, this is raw green fluorite, and I have to tell you, I love fluorite. It's one of my favorite stones. I have it in green and purple. I love the energy on fluorite. It's just something, I'm really connected to fluorite. Green fluorite crystal is especially powerful for growth and healing on all levels. Green fluorite crystals are wonderful for neutralizing negative energy, acting as an energy vacuum cleaner for your space. Placing one in your environment helps to restore balance and bring order to any chaos. Green fluorite's ability to connect with the energy of its environment helps it to not only purify but raise the vibrations of its settings. Place your crystal in your sacred space, office, or place in your home where you will see it every day. This is probably going to go on my altar. I'm getting ready to change my altar up for the winter solstice. And that is perfect. And the energy on it is wonderful. Okay, next bag. Okay, looks like another necklace. Oh. Alright. So, it is a Dreamcatcher Essential Oil Diffuser Necklace. A diffuser necklace is a great way to bring oils with you. Just place a few drops of your favorite essential oil in the replacement pad and carry it with you. So there's the front. And then there's the back. It's very pretty. It's very heavy. Let me see if I can figure out how to open it. Oh, you have to take the chain off and then put it through the thing. So there's a pad in there. And if you look here, you take the chain out, and these 3 sections, the chain holds it closed. Good idea. And look, it's orange, and that's like my favorite color, as you guys can see. Very nice. All right. Next little pouch. Oh, look at that. It's another bracelet. It's not listed. Oh, there it is. It's a solar system bracelet. Look how cool that is. This bracelet celebrates our home in the cosmos. Damn it. Sorry, guys. That was my phone. Let me turn the sound off. Okay, so this bracelet represents or celebrates our home in the cosmos, our solar system. Wear a mini version of the entire solar system on your wrist with this awesome solar system bracelet. Each planet is represented by a gemstone bead. The bracelet is made from a selection of lava beads, jade, sandstone, tiger's eye, lapis lazuli, and others. So, look at that. That is so cool. Alright. I have to loosen it up a little bit before I can wear it. I'll put it on loosely. That's what it would look like on your skin. Very nice. I love that. Okay. Last but not least, oh, this one's actually tied. That's cool. Okay. There's a bunch of stuff in here. All right, there's a piece of paper. Okay. It's a bag full of stones, and it says, set of healing stones. 7 chakras are wheels of energy within our bodies. When the chakras are aligned and balanced, we feel energized, grounded, and centered. This makes chakra cleansing extremely important for our overall well-being. The chakra healing stones combine 7 stones to help you with chakra healing and balancing. We have white quartz, amethyst, aventurine, tiger's eye. That's pretty, huh? Red jasper, obsidian, lazurite, and this is rose quartz, or pink quartz. Okay, and then the little piece of paper that came with it. It shows you how to lay them on your body and where at. These are your chakras. And then they show the stones and where to place them on your body. So that's it. That's our Mindful Souls. I'm going to put these back in the little baggie. That's our Mindful Souls box. And I don't know how to say this. AO Color Kabuki brush, which I really like. So I'm glad I got it. I was worried that it wasn't going to be, you know, tight enough for, like, thick enough. But it is. It's really nice. Feels nice on the skin. And I'll let you know, like, how it does. But for $7, I didn't think it was a bad deal. And who doesn't need a good Kabuki brush? A dense one. Because, see, this one that I normally use, which needs clean, it's very dense. And I did buy this on Amazon, but I cannot remember for the life of me what company made it. I want to say it's Elf, I believe. Anyway, so that's our Mindful Souls unboxing. And if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.